On God, if I'm not Helvetica. On God, if I'm not Helvetica. On God, if I'm not Helvetica. Or... Hey.
L'espoir est un plat bien trop vite consommé et à sauter les repas, je suis à...
Any man can be a father, but it takes someone special to be a daddy. What do you... He agrees. He agrees.
I don't put onion in my sauce. I don't need fucking onion in my sauce because my sauce is flavorful. I don't need onion.
Don't put too much onion in the sauce, Mom.
Stupid.
You hear me?
Yeah.
Don't put too much onion in.
Okay.
Is that... I kind of smell it. Is that too much you put in?
I didn't put any onion in it, Nikki. I don't put onion in it, Nick.
I found the 4 American Hogwarts houses. Mayo Must, Mayo Q, Mayo Chip, and Cranch.
Hi, I'm Ben Moffin. This is my audition to be a Mario Badescu facial spray.
Alright, dude, this is your last one. You're only getting water after this one, alright? Oh no.
Coconut. No. 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 I know what you're doing. No.
Manic Pixie Dream Girl? Haha, no thank you, Zoe Deschanel. Get yourself a depressed goblin nightmare, boy.
Walk a mile in these Louboutins, but they don't wear these shit where I'm from.
Yes, you do have freedom of speech. It does protect you from the government. It doesn't protect you from me, motherfucker! If I think you're stupid, I'm telling you, bitch! And that is on the First Amendment.
But this song is still for you. Now all I want is love that lasts. Is all I want, too much to ask. Is
But this won't make us fall. There is still one man we can call. Danny DeVito.
If your man is short, thick, and super loyal, I'm sorry, that is not your man. That is, in fact, Paul Blart Mall Cop.
I know that y'all know the lesbian growl, you know, but have you ever heard of the heterosexual vouch? Let me show you. Look, he's just a really cool guy if you look past all the Nazi memorabilia.
I don't want to hear any more fucking boomers talk about piercings.
If metal is so unnatural to have in my face, then why can you have it in your hip? Bill, Jan, Nancy, Mark.
Water. Truth. Fire. Chair.
Number 1, bees. Like if you want bees in your kiss.
For those who don't have a dad, or have a really shitty one, I'm your father now. Dinner's at 6, better be home by 4. I love you.
I'm having wine because a good story never started with a salad.
Mental breakdown check.
bling bling, then I saw him, that's the goddess. You could have had a bad bitch, non-committal. Happy with your career, just a little. You supposed to hold me down, but you holding me.
Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how I like ranch on my pizza. So maybe first just like a little bit
And maybe just like a little bit more. Just a little bit more on it.
I think the customers were off put today when instead of saying Merry Christmas, I said Happy Tuesday. Power! I'm not sad, I'm powerful.
Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Con la mano you believe. I wanna wish you a merry.
Thank you so much, you can big fat white ass small fat bitch. Mother coming out the motherfucking kicker with the closet, 21 good fat big fat bitch from a woman big ass bitch.
Yo, she fire. Brown skin, pretty brown eyes, slim waist, but her hips kinda wide, thick thighs.
I don't want to be the racist guy, but hey, I'm gonna do it. I don't trust dolphins. They're shifty. They're born with fur. We don't talk about that. You know, their skin comes off like 10 times a day. Whoa!
Ingredients you can see and pronounce.
Let's see if they're right.
Mom, what the fuck is an OAT?
Well, there's a difference between a shrimp and a prawn. You know, a prawn is a lot bigger, shrimp is a lot smaller. Shrimp, they have poop in their veins. Who said shrimp? Which one of you said shrimp? I'm about to start crying.
I love to get in sparkly dresses.
Just did a bad thing. I regret the thing I did. And you're wondering what it is. I'll tell you what I did. I did a bad.
Watch him rollin', watch him go. He be rollin' down the street. He be rollin' to the beat. He be rollin' down the street. He be rollin' to the beat.
First things first, cut it in half lengthwise, then scoop out the seeds and roast it.
Yeah, you're just a little piss baby spaghetti squash. You're not even real spaghetti. Fuck you, you little piss baby. What am I, squashing your dreams, little piss baby
Honestly, roasting the squash really helps bring out the natural flavors.
Shit! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Come on, come on, come on, come on. What the fuck? There we go.
We getting a treat? Are we getting a treat?
Flash games that people uploaded to places like Girls Go Games were weird looking back. Like, why was I allowed to deliver Rapunzel who had a warped bowl cut's baby? Why was I allowed to do that?
Hey there, do you work in customer service and you're looking for more gender-neutral options to call your customers rather than ma'am or sir? Well, do I have some great options for you. Y'all, darlin', sweet pea, battle axe, a murder of crows, Samsung smart refrigerator, and my personal favorite, Doug.
I'm in the ghetto. I'm in the ghetto. I'm in the ghetto.
Be a Waffle House, but you're my Waffle Home.
Wow.
Mom, what's an orgasm? That's when you fold paper into birds, dumbass. That's oregano, bitch.
Y'all ever notice how whack Chick-fil-A's commercials are? Like on Pandora or the radio or even the TV. I swear to God, everyone is like, we read real tweets from real Chick-fil-A customers. Here's what they had to say. Josie M says, am I the only one that didn't know Chick-fil-A has macaroni and cheese now? Hashtag awesome. That's it. That's the whole fucking commercial. Bitch. Let me show y'all what real Chick-fil-A customers are saying. Here's the fucking quality content commercials y'all could be pumping out. Kennedy says, why do I feel like every Chick-fil-A worker would die for me? Nugget Hay says, Meg asked Chick-fil-A to switch her lemonade to water because she had a sore throat, and the worker whips out a cough drop. Holy fuck, I'm impressed. Solo says, a Chick-fil-A worker wiped the sauce off my table with his bare hand. I feel like they would take a bullet for me if I asked. LOL. Catherine Welch says, Chick-fil-A guy told me he believed in me 4 times when I checked out. Now, I believe in me. Josie M. Who?